going to show you how to make a drink called Think Pink. We're going to start off with our ice, pour this into your glass, and then you're going to add in 2 ounces of rum. That's 1 and 2. And I'm using something called a jigger, Jigger, to measure this out. Next we're going to put in 2 ounces of Passoa, which is a pink passion fruit liqueur. And it's really, really wonderful. There we go. I'm going to shake this up. Oh, I love passion fruit. And then we're going to pour this into a rocks glass, like so. And you're going to fill it the rest of the way with Sprite. So now we've got a tropical drink that's also really bubbly and refreshing. Go ahead and give that just a little bit of a stir with your stirry straw. And then we're going to garnish this with an orange and cherry flag. Drink up. Think pink.